Command number 3, this one is the game changer. When you first install Ubuntu, it comes without support for MP3 music, popular video formats like MP4, Adobe Flash, Microsoft Fonts, and a bunch of other media content. This single command installs all of that in one slot, and just like that, your Ubuntu can now play MP3, MP4s, and everything in it. Hey, before you install anything on your fresh Ubuntu, make sure to watch this video because I'm going to show you 6 powerful commands that will update your system, unlock media playback, boost your battery life, and clean everything up all from one place, that is your terminal. And the best part is, it takes just few minutes to do all of this, so don't go anywhere. The third and the fourth ones are my favorites, and they are the best. They are actually the most important, so you do not want to miss this out. Whether you are brand new to Linux or you've been using it for long, you do not want to miss what is coming next. And let's get into it. So the very first one is sudo apt update. Beginners make a lot of mistakes skipping this part. Don't do that. Think of this command as asking Ubuntu, hey, what's new out there? It goes online and refreshes the list of all available software and update. See that? All that. Ubuntu is scanning every software source it knows about and pulling the latest information. Fast, right? And that's it for step 1, clean and essential. Now never run the next command without running this one first. Trust me. Now that Ubuntu knows what's available, let's tell it to actually install those updates. And to do that, you type sudo apt upgrade, then you press enter. Now this is where the magic begins. Ubuntu is now going to download and install every available update for your system, your kernel, your apps, your security patches, everything. Okay, command number 3, this one is the game changer. Type sudo apt install Ubuntu restricted extras. Then you press enter. Alright, let me explain what just happened. When you first install Ubuntu, it comes without support for MP3 music, popular video formats like MP4, Adobe Flash, Microsoft Fonts, and a bunch of other media content. Why? Not because Ubuntu is bad, but because of software licensing laws. Ubuntu plays it safe by not including them by default. But you need to play your music. You need to watch your videos. You need those fonts to display correctly when you open a website. This single command installs all of that in one slot, and just like that, your Ubuntu can now play MP3, MP4s, and everything in between. No more codec not found errors, no more silent videos. You are fully unlocked. Alright, so you just look for means and click on OK. Yeah, you click on OK. Then you click on yes. And it continues. Wow guys, really look at that. Can you really see? Putting everything in place. Now that is it for this command. Now are you on laptop? Then pay very close attention to the next 2 commands. They are a game changer. Even if you are on a desktop, stick around because understanding TLP will make you a smarter Linux user. Now type sudo apt install TLP. Sudo apt install TLP, then you hit enter. Now TLP is one of the most powerful battery optimization tools available for Linux, and it's completely free. It runs silently in the background and automatically adjusts your CPU speed, your hard drive settings, your USB power, your Wi-Fi power, all based on whether you are plugged in or on battery. On Windows, you will have to dig through menus and settings to get anywhere near this level of control. On Ubuntu, with TLP, one command, done. Laptops have gained 1 to 2 extra hours of battery life just from installing TLP. This command number 5 is short, but don't underestimate it. So in order to activate it, type in sudo tlp start, sudo tlp start, then hit enter. Alright, this tells TLP to start working right now without needing to restrict your computer. The moment you run this command, it's already optimizing your system. See the confirmation. TLP is now active and on the job. Your battery just got a bodyguard. From the point on, every time you boot Ubuntu, TLP will automatically start. You never have to think about it again. And finally, command number 6, the cleanup crew. Type in sudo apt auto remove, sudo apt auto remove, then you hit enter. After all those installs and upgrades, Ubuntu has accumulated a bunch of packages it no longer needs. Old dependencies that were required during installation but are now just sitting there taking up space. This command automatically identifies all of that digital dead weight and removes it safely and cleanly. Yes, here you see Y on the screen. They're asking you to confirm. You just type Y, then you press enter. This is the command that separates people who use Linux from people who maintain Linux. 6 commands in few minutes and your Ubuntu machine is now updated, optimized, media ready, battery efficient, and completely clean. That is the power of Linux in your hands. Here's what I want you to take away from this video. Linux is not complicated. It's not just for programmers and hackers. It is for anyone who wants to own their computer. Every command you just ran, you understood it, you know why you were running it, and that is more powerful than clicking a button you don't understand. This is just the beginning. If you want to go deeper, learn more commands, more tools, more ways to get the absolute best out of your Ubuntu system, then hit that subscribe button right now, because I've got a lot more coming your way. And if this video helped you, drop a comment below. Tell me which command surprised you the most. Tell me you're running Ubuntu. Tell me anything. I read every single comment. Share this video with someone who just installed Ubuntu and has no idea what to do next. You might just change their entire Linux journey. See you in the next video.